Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we have this 4408. Let's watch it right now. So we're gonna have some. Here we go. Alrighty. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see. Let's go ahead and find us a bounce so that we can travel to our original destination. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, remember that our swing low was 93, right? 92, 93, 92.75, exactly, right? So we wanted 20, only got 08, right? We wanted 20, all right? So the main direction hasn't been invalidated because remember, we wanted a pullback all the way to 88, right? And then we just had a move to 89. 1 point to our pullback that we've been waiting all morning long. This long that we took right here at 95, that, yeah, sure, we wanted to ride it all the way to 20, but we also knew that 09 was the first resistance. And remember what I told you. Bears jumped the gun 1 point just so that they can buy a Lamborghini on the way down, right? All right, so we've been patient. So right, of course, we never let a winner turn into a loser. Our 95 long only goes to 408. That's not bad. That's 13, 12 points, right? Okay. We know that the pullback to go long, the pullback to go long, expecting the price to continue going to 44.20, it's 88, and we also know that the squeeze of that 88 is 83, right? So what does that mean? That means, my friend, that the price needs to destroy the squeeze 83 for us not to want to continue being long every support there is, expecting to ride the position all the way to 44.20. Of course. So, yeah. Oh, hey, CAPI, how about the consumer sentiment release, man, that we just had here at 10? Well, of course we have to consider that, right? That's why we always counter trend, right? Price didn't go to our first entry short 09. So now we are in a position to we have to analyze everything, again, to see if this pullback is actually a change of direction. And now the market decided to go all the way back to 72, right? And then we are missing this beautiful entry short by 1 point. Look at this, 1 point. And we're not counter trend sure. It's called day trading. So this pullback, it's really strong, right? Consumer sentiment came, and the bears just had a lot of fun shorting, and so we have to analyze how strong is 88 and 83 so that we can predict. Remember that we are predictors, so that we can predict as to whether the price is going to take them and continue going down. So in other words, there is a new trend, ladies and gentlemen, down, because this pullback is really strong. Okay, so I am measuring. We know it is strong, and we know that the odds change for the price to continue going down. Right, so yeah, sure, we still have 88 and 83, but now we need to figure out what the target, because these are supports, right, for the bulls. Now we need to measure this move down to see what's the target for the for this pullback, which is so strong that the odds are beginning to be that it's going to be the main play, meaning it's looking to take 83 and invalidate the direction and therefore becoming the main direction, this short action that we're having right now. Of course, 88, we know is the pullback that we wanted. Yeah, but we wanted that pullback 88 before we had the consumer sentiment, right? This consumer sentiment changed the immediate direction. Yeah, sure, 88 is still there, right? So, so of course, it's going to play with the price, and of course the squeeze 83. All right. However, now we have to look for the target for this new direction to the downside. Okay. All right. So I don't have the target yet, but remember that 88 is support, right? The first one, and 83 is the squeeze of 88. So I'm expecting a bounce. And you know that the market is dynamic. It can change back to bull again. And we know what are the levels in which the market could change back to bull. Okay. So repeat. We all saw price going to our first support, 88. And then, yeah, sure, it takes a little bit, for a couple of points. It hangs around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes, right? It goes all the way to to 85, a couple of points. Momentum takes it to 85. But we know the strength of 88, right? It's our first, it's the pullback that we wanted the price to go so that we can go long the pullback, right? So that we can have a much better risk reward rate entry to our here it is, to our 420, right? Well, of course we have to put that 420 in the back burner now, right? So price takes our 93, 92, right here, 92, right? Our swing low, which was support. Price takes it, and then it goes to our first pullback, and then the bounce takes it back to our 92, right? So, trading 101, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Our support 92, 93 became resistance, and look at the action right off right here, 93 quarter, right? To ride this move down, price goes all the way to our first resistance. Yeah, sure, I know we all wanted to short 09, but the price only went to 08, so we missed it by 1 point. Well, it's called day trading. So aggressive bears, what do? Support becomes resistance. Of course, our levels of support and resistance, not the, which is extremely difficult for most traders, have no idea. All right, so what's the current play right now? Short right here, 93, right? This is the current play, expecting the price to eventually go to the squeeze 83. Remember that the bears are in control now, right? Especially now that our confirmation level that that confirms that it is the bears in control, 93, it's clinching right here. So what do we think price is going? Of course, 83, which is the squeeze, right, of 88. But remember that once it breaks, the price breaks 83, is the squeeze, right? Is confirmation that the short term, that the downtrend is the main play. So what we need to do now is figure out when price takes 83, where is it going? What's the target for this new direction? Boom, here it is. I have it. So the target, ladies and gentlemen, for this move down is 74. So, as long as our 93 is holding, we are expecting the price to continue going down, test 83. We know 83, it was our squeeze, now it's a former squeeze, but we already measured the strength of this pullback, and we believe that eventually it's going to take it, and it's going to be looking to go down all the way to 74. All right, so listen, this 74, that's not going to be an easy trip. There are a lot of supports between 83 and 74. There are so many supports. It's not going to be for the short 93. It's not going to be a pleasant trip. That's not going to happen. Remember that we still are long 88 and 83, right? Okay. So in other words, there is a chance that we're gonna change 74 as the target. It's a big chance that we're gonna change 74 as the target for this new downtrend. Okay. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, nice bounce here to our resistance, giving us another chance to short again this downtrend. Okay, all right then. Remember, until I change the target is 74. Okay. All right, for this downtrend, remember that 83 is the squeeze of the long. So the long has not been invalidated yet. All right, this is ultra advanced trading. Okay, you have to be a real pro to follow everything I'm saying. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look at the entry long 83, right? 83, the squeeze of the 88, right?
Right.
Okay, so this entry long is the last entry long, right, for the longer term action, and it's a razor sharp. Look at that, 82 quarter, razor sharp entry long. We know, though, that we are going against the new direction, which is down, this move down, which gave us also an entry short right here, 93. Alrighty? So while we ride this short all the way to 74 from 94, so that we make 20 points here, why not take a little shot long our 83 support squeeze, so that we make a couple of bucks in the meantime. And remember, there is no guarantee that the price is going to go to 74, and there is no guarantee that the price is going to go to 20, right? So what do we do then? Well, exactly what I just told you. Let's make a couple of bucks right here. We never let a winner turn into a loser, so we need to continue measuring this bounce, and there is a okay possibility that this bounce is going to be strong. It's going to be, we don't know that yet, it's strong enough to go ahead, break 88, break 94, 93, 94 right here, break this one right. That's not going to be easy breaking 93, 94. That's not going to be easy. 95, right? 90, 92, 95. These 3 points right here, extremely strong. But there is a possibility, right, that it breaks it and then it goes all the way to at least back to our 409. All right. If it doesn't, terrific. We make a couple of bucks here, and remember, we're sure this 93 expecting to eventually. This is option one. Take 83 and go to 74. All right. So that's it. That's what we're doing. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so here is target 1 to the tick. Is that to the tick, mistake?
That is correct.
Okie dokie. So target 1 to the tick on our change of direction hat. So let's make 65, 66, target 2. All right, below. This has got to be target 2 right here. Okay? Target 2. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so target 2 right here, right? Target 2 hit 65 with plenty of room here with a momentum all the way to 64. And now our job, ladies and gentlemen, is to figure out what's target 3 and the last target. Remember that we get out 4 times. That's it, always. No more than 4 times. Always. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have target 3. It's 43.50 by way of 55. Right, ladies and gentlemen, time right now 11:15. We had target 1, 74 accomplished, target 2, 66 accomplished, and we have target 3, 50. So that's 16 more points by way of 55. Alrighty, let it ride. Right, so this level right here, extremely important, right? This right here is not a pivot high. This 69.71, it's a swing high. Can you believe that? Look at it. So low, and it's a swing high, right? Okay, so lower low, right? Lower low, lower high, the conventional technical analysis. So as long as we don't take this 2-point range, then the odds that we are on our way to target 3, which is 43.50, are pretty good. And remember, we get out 4 times. Then what we need to do is once we get target 3, then we need to measure the strength of that trip all the way to 50, so that we can finally establish what our last target for the day is going to be, and we're going to be all done. In the meantime, we are up like what, 50 points? So if any of you want to go play tennis, I totally understand, don't I? All right, ladies and gentlemen, it took a little while, and we're not getting our target. Let it ride, by the way. Look at this beautiful break, 50, 48, 49, boom, here, you know. Here we go, 46. All righty, let's go ahead and move it down to, move it down, right, to 46, right, 46. Come on, baby, give me more, 45, right? All righty then, let it ride, let it ride. Let's do what we always do. Let's pulse it out. Okay, 44, come on, baby. Give me more, come on. This is my target 3.
30 p.m.
Okay. Come on, baby. Give me. Let it ride, ladies and gentlemen. Look at it. There's not one single green bar. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's an 8-point bonus, and we're gonna have a hard target 39. All right, 39, we have to lock 39, ladies and gentlemen, okay? 39, it doesn't matter if it continue going down or not, we have to lock 39.